This is going to be a video product review of the Lvyinyin LED under cabinet lighting kit. The Lvyinyin under cabinet lighting kit is a linkable puck lighting set. It plugs into 120 volts. Some of their kits use an AC adapter, others can be hardwired. It converts down to a 12 volt adapter. You have 10 lights in this package. It is daylight, it has white cables, it's for kitchen lighting, it's for atmosphere lighting, it's for under cabinet lighting. Let me take everything out of the box now. There's just so much that comes in this kit. The price is extremely reasonable. These lights are awesome. I have them in my kitchen under my cabinet, and I'm going to be putting this set in my laundry room right next to the washer and dryer. You can mount this in a medicine cabinet, in a closet, in a wardrobe, in a workshop. It is a wireless, dimmable puck lighting setup. Very easy to install. This kit comes with 10 puck lamps. We have stickers so that if you want to attach these lights to furniture, you will not damage these. So you have a set of stickers that comes with it. Get some very simple but very detailed instructions. We have this one is an AC adapter, plugs into the wall. Then we have our power connection over here that will plug into the lighting system. We have screws, so if you want to mount these directly to the wall or to the wood, you can use the screws instead of the adhesive. Here we have the LED controller, the remote dimmer, and we have extra wiring so that we can connect everything. So mostly what you do with this all gets daisy chained. It's very simple. You just plug one wire into another wire and you've got this incredible string of puck lighting. You can buy this from Lvyinyin in a hardwired 6-light daylight set, in a 6-light warm white set, in 10 daylight set, in a warm white set, in 12 lights for daylight, and in 12 lights for the warm light. So it just depends on the color temperature of the lighting that you want. Each of these lights is 2.4 inches wide, and we have cable that is 15.8 inches. So it's really about 16 inches, almost a foot and a half for all of this. And if you need more wiring, you can purchase this from the company. So I'm going to plug this in now so you can see these lights in action. I will be leaving an affiliate link in the video description. Click on that link. It will take you directly to Amazon. A very easy way to purchase this. It will help you out. It will help me out. So let me get everything plugged in right now and we'll see how this works. If you don't want to use the self-adhesive stickers, all you need to do is take off the cover, unscrew the cover, and remove that little lens piece. And now we have the inside. You can take the screws that come with this, put them into the holes, and mount this directly to your cabinet, and then screw it back down, and you will have this connected directly into the wood, or maybe in the ceiling in a closet, or under a cabinet, or in a piece of furniture. Nice thing about this light set is it is extremely safe. You are plugging your power into 120 volts, but the transformer drops it down to 12 volts DC, which is extremely safe, so you don't have to worry about shocking yourself. And it is just plug and play. We have the connector. This is coming off of the AC adapter, and this is the lamp. Now, when you try to do this, it will only go in one direction. So it's very easy for you to figure out how to do this. We're going to mate this. And we have a connection now. And check this out, because I've got video lights all over the place, but you should be able to see this. This is really neat. How easy was that? You just plug it in, plug and play. And so we've got this other connection over here. We have the light that I opened up. I want to show you. I just want you to be able to see what's going on inside of this. So I think you see the light just went on. That's how simple it is to get lighting, puck lighting. So I'm going to turn off all the lights in here so you can see what is going on right now. These are really nice. They are very bright. They're so bright that the camera is kind of making them look dim. But this is perfect for under cabinet lighting. You can do this if you have curtains in the house. You can put this above the curtains, right behind the curtains, so that you will have some nice accent lighting. In a closet, in a wardrobe setting. Now let me show you how easy it is to set up the dimmer. It's an RF dimmer, so you don't have to worry about the signal bouncing off of walls. This should work without a problem. So we have the AC adapter, and we have the power plugging into the splitter. All I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug that. I'm going to go over here and take the controller, plug it in here. Then I'm going to plug it into, just putting it in between where it was before. Now, there is a little piece of plastic material that goes when it's shipped. When you first receive this, there'll be this little piece of plastic material that is inside here, making sure the battery doesn't go dead. Just pull that out, and then your remote control will work. So what we have now is we've got the two lights that I showed you before, and all I have to do is press the button, and we have light. We have a brightness over there. Let's go down to 25%. Let me turn off the light again to show you how easy this is to use. So I'm going to press the 25%. Might be a little easier if I move the camera so it's not 25%. I'm going to press the 50%. Now I'm going to press the 100%. And then we have the brightness. We can go up or down. So let's go down. You have full control over what you want to do. And if you don't want to use the remote control, there is also a power switch that attaches to the AC adapter cable. One last thing, it has a mode. We have a mode control on the remote, and we have a speed control. So I'm going to go press the mode. This does many different things. I move the lights away because they're kind of bright right now. So you have a flashing on and off, and you can control the speed of that. Let's slow it down a little bit. We have a much slower flashing. We have a dim to bright to dim to bright. So you have a lot of very nice, that's a very fast flickering mode. A little longer. So you've got some really nice things, and then you have the power on and off again, so we can turn it off, we can turn it back on. We can set this to the right mode so you can see it remembered the mode that it was set at before. So I'm just going to go back to the regular mode. I don't even know how many modes are on here, but there are a lot. And again, we can go back over and dim it. 25%, very easy to do. 50%, 100%. And the nice thing about it is you see all these lights over here? We can connect all of these together. So remember what I did? I took the splitter and I put one lamp on one side of the splitter and the other lamp on the other side of the splitter. So I've got control of two different chains of lights. What if I don't want to do that? What if I want to connect the first light to the second light? Let me just disconnect over here. Very easy to do. You just take this connector and pull it out. And we'll go over to the other end of this light now, and now I am connected. Both of these lights are connected on the same chain. You see how we did this? It goes from the splitter. The wire goes on one side, wire goes out of the other side, and then we connect to the next lamp. And then all you have to do is, well, this is the end lamp, but on the others we have wires on both sides, so you just connect them end to end, and you have, depending on what package you buy, 12 lamps, I believe, 10 lamps, 8 lamps. So they have a whole selection. This is a really cool product. Again, there is more wiring if you need this, so you can carry this across a big area. You have the screws to mount everything if you want to go into the wood. You've got the self-adhesive things if you don't want to go into the wood. You've got great instructions, but you don't need those because I just told you how to set it up. So easy to set this up. The remote, it has a battery in there in case you need to replace it. Very simple to use to go into the different modes, the different dimming settings, the dimmable 25, 50, 100, or you can actually control it. And then we've got the light button over there depending on what chain you want to connect to. And the neat thing is that if you buy more of these packages, as long as you have your remote, you can have additional controls of many, many different puck lighting systems on this chain. This package, 10 lights. Make sure you check out the video description. Buy this thing. It is awesome. These are bright. They're really neat. They really are very neat. And at nighttime, dim it or make it brighter, whatever you want. These are made by Lvyinyin, Lvyinyin. They are under cabinet lighting, puck lighting, linkable, 120 volts down to very safe 12 volt DC. Depending on what package you purchase, you can get it in hardwire or a wall plug. Wonderful product.